again. Today we're talking about tying turbans, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment while we have fun here. Today's tutorial is going to be about hair drops, so stay with me. I'll be right back. First of all, we'll be making the hair wrap with this black and white material. It's a jersey material. We'll be making the first turban with this. First thing you do, take any material of choice, any fabric, any t-shirt, whatever you have. Not make a knot out of it. Put it on your head. Kindly take the fabric and tie on it, fasten it so I don't get loosened. All you need to do is bring it to the front, like so. Don't worry, whatever you see, when we finish, you tuck everything in well. Then you make it like this. You know, sometimes you could just find your own style, make whatever you want, but the goal still remains a front knotted turban, like so. Not every time you do the same thing everybody does. You want to make something different from every other person. So you tie it just the way you want and knot it. This particular turban could be worn with anything, plain dresses, plain tops, and here you go. I like it. Hi guys, here's the second head wrap style I have here. It's another jersey material, but here we're gonna have a different style. So let's start. It's gonna be very simple. I know you want something very sassy, you just want to come out. You could have in a bad bad day, just want to wear something different to match a black dress or a pink dress. So let's start. First of all, you take turban, the material, and wrap from the back. Bring it forward. While you bring it forward, you make sure you cover whatever you have on your hair. If you don't need to show, I have a black small cap as a base, so you're gonna knot this around like a twist. We twist it. While you're twisting, ensure you want to have it loose, because I don't want you to be very tight. That will be another style entirely. When you're done wrapping it, you take it backwards. Take it backwards and tuck it in at the back, like so. So you come back and ensure you cover it. If you want a modest look, and if you want to leave it so as simple as you can get. Hi guys, this is the third style. I have a boring turban, please. Another material, which is another jersey fabric here. This color is lilac, and let's get straight into the tying of the third style. Fold the material like so. Ensure you have a long length fabric to get the style. Here we take it backwards. We fold it like so. I want to achieve an equal length, so once you're here, you take this to the back, you bring it forward. You want us to crisscross it here, tuck in both ends until the edges of both sides are no more showing. So here we have a simple turban. Guys, try all the style out and let me see what you get out of it. Hi guys, this is the fourth style, and it's still a jersey fabric. I love it, jersey fabric. This is a green one. Here we're going to tie it simple but kind of tricky, so Watch me tie it and learn. First of all, you fold the fabric into half, then you take it from the back. As you can see, this is quite tricky but easy to tie. You bring both sides together and tie. You tie like so. And sure you adjust. Don't worry, sometimes you get all these edges showing, but once you're done you can always adjust them. So you fold this, you bring one of the edges to front and tuck the second one in between. Try to wrap it like so. As you can see, in the previous one we knotted it, we didn't knot it here. You tuck it to the back. With this, people will be wondering if you are wearing a cap or you tie the turban. So you come forward. You don't want the black cap showing, because this is going to show people like you bought a turban, a ready-made turban, not knowing that you've tied it from home before stepping out to work, school, church, mosque, anywhere you want to glam up to. So have a look at this. Guys, please try any of the styles and give me feedback. Don't forget to subscribe if you're a new person coming on board, and if you're already subscribed, kindly click on the like button, comments, and you can also subscribe. Please give me feedback. I like to know how this went with yours. Oh, I'm loving this. Let's see, we're going out. Let's see. This is nice, this is lovely. Please guys, try it. If you're a guy watching, you're a man watching, you can show your girlfriend, show your wife, your sister, your mom. This is a great one. The first time I actually tied this, people thought I bought a turban, but yeah, you can always learn stuff yourself. DIYs out. Please learn this. You can try it and let's see. I don't even know out of the four I just tied down which one I really love, but you get different look. Like I always say, you don't have to tie or wear a boring turban or head wrap. Make something sassy, make something lovely. You know, I'm loving this. I don't know, tell me what you feel about them. Which one do you love the most? Which one do you think is easy? And oh, hi. So kindly subscribe, like, comment. Thank you for watching. See you guys.